100 Modern Bathroom Design Ideas, 2023. Top 15 Bathroom Remodeling Ideas to Elevate Your Bathroom. Just keep watching. Bathroom remodeling, along with kitchen remodeling, takes its toll on homeowners, in terms of frustration, unmet timetables, and high costs. Given the staggeringly high cost of bathroom remodeling, it pays to think outside the box, and search for smarter, and more economical alternatives. Here are top 15 remodeling ideas that will spruce up your bathroom without breaking the bank. Cheap doesn't have to mean low value. Inexpensive upgrades, done properly, can add value, while poorly completed ones can actually decrease your home's value. Use lower cost, look-alike materials. Retaining and refurbishing your existing materials is always the best option for saving money. But if you must swap out materials, inexpensive alternatives often can look amazingly like the real thing. For example, instead of real wood plank flooring, try luxury vinyl flooring. Today's vinyl flooring looks far better than earlier iterations. Innovations, such as luxury vinyl flooring and plank vinyl, can even fool the eye from a distance. High-definition laminate countertops and quartz countertops now vie with granite for the look of authentic natural stone. Faux stone ceramic and porcelain tile backsplashes can mimic the look of travertine and marble. Paint your wooden floor. If your bathroom happens to have a wooden floor, you can always cover it over with a more moisture-hardy flooring, such as tile, sheet vinyl, or luxury vinyl plank. Or you can save time, energy, and money by keeping your wooden floor and painting it with protective enamel. Keep in mind, though, that solid hardwood should not be your first choice for bathroom flooring. But if you already do have wooden floors, this is one low-cost way to keep them around for as long as possible. Refinish your tub instead of replacing it. Consider total replacement of your bathtub to be your last possible option, at least from a cost-saving standpoint. Instead, try relining or refinishing. Bathtub and shower refinishing is a prime example of the dictum, repair and retain, rather than remove. If the problem is mainly cosmetic, such as a yellowed surface, and some cracks and nicks, you can refinish your shower or bathtub. Alternatively, bathtubs and shower liners, never a permanent fix, are not as affordable as they seem. Requiring professional installation, liners will carry you through a few years. Bathtub refinishing, instead, is more inexpensive and often looks better. Touch up your tub, rather than refinishing it. One step down from refinishing the entire tub surface is a tub touch-up. When your bathtub has nicks, gouges, and peeling paint, but you are not keen on the idea of refinishing the entire surface, you can spot fix the tub. Some touch-up products, such as super glue white porcelain repair, are as easy to apply as squeezing toothpaste out of a tube. Refresh cabinets with new hardware. Buying and installing new bathroom cabinets can get expensive. A far easier and more affordable way to bring life to your existing cabinets is to strip out the old hardware and replace it with fun new hardware. To make the process even easier, before you buy the new hardware, make sure that its screw alignment matches up with the holes on your existing cabinets. This eliminates the need to drill new holes. Install a new sink faucet. As with installing new hardware on cabinets, installing a new sink faucet is one trick designers and do-it-yourselfers alike use to make a sink sparkle without replacing the entire top or vanity. It helps that sink faucets are simple, easy, and fast to install by yourself. You don't need to call a plumber. This not only saves on labor costs, but it advances the timetable. Pick up sink faucet in the morning, and you'll have it running by lunchtime. It's that easy. Install a prefabricated shower. The most expensive option for a new shower is to hire a pro to build a custom tile shower from scratch. While site-built tile showers and tubs can be gorgeous and unique, consider a prefabricated shower unit, which typically costs a lot less. If you want to have the tiled shower, fusing a poly shower pan with the tile saves hassle and costs. Building a tiled shower pan takes some time, and it's usually best left in the hands of qualified tile setters. Smart storage solutions. It's important to keep your bathroom organized, and with the right storage solutions, it can be both functional and stylish. Consider built-in shelving, hidden cabinets, and floating vanities to maximize space. Custom lighting. Lighting can really set the mood in a bathroom, and a customized light fixture can be a showstopper. Consider pendant lighting, sconces, or even a chandelier for a luxurious touch. Mixed materials. Mixing different materials can really add depth and texture to a bathroom. Consider combining wood, metal, and tile for a unique and cohesive design. Statement mirrors. A stylish and unique mirror can really add personality to your bathroom. Consider oversized round mirrors, antique mirrors, or even a mirror wall for a dramatic effect. Floating vanities. A floating vanity can really open up a bathroom, giving it a spacious and airy feel. Consider a minimalist design, or add some texture with a wood or stone finish. Custom shower heads. A customized shower head can really elevate your shower experience. Consider a rainfall shower head, a handheld option, or even a high-tech shower head with LED lights and music.